Can we use the power of artificial intelligence to help us uncover the next 100x potential crypto gem? Ladies and gentlemen, that is the question we are going to be asking ourselves today, as we will be using AI to break down, understand, and analyze SingularityNET. Now, for anyone who is new to this series, basically what we are doing is we are taking the top 200 cryptocurrency projects and we're analyzing them, we're breaking them down almost like it's the NFL or the NBA Combine. So for anyone unaware, basically what the Combine is it's where all of the top athletes will come and they will compete on a series of tests, a series of evaluations, and they will basically be scored, they will be graded on these evaluations, and these scores will determine how good of an athlete they are, right? They will determine whether the teams, the coaching staff want to invest in them, want to draft them. And so we're going to be taking this same thought process and we're going to be applying it to cryptocurrency projects. So you can see here the 6 key metrics that we will be using AI to break down and score on each individual project. And so the reason that we're doing it this way, the reason that we're using AI, is because we're building our investment thesis on facts and not opinions. And so this is not just going to be some dude shilling you some coin trying to sell his bags or whatever, right? Like there's no vested opinion, there's no vested interest. It's very, very fast and efficient, as you'll see. And to be honest, artificial intelligence is probably smarter than us. It is probably better at considering more variables to make a combined better decision than we would be able to with our own human brain. And then finally, it's scientific, it's replicatable, and so you can take all of the prompts, everything will be in the description. You can take them yourself and you can apply them to any project that is of interest to you, and you'll get similar results. And so without further ado, let's jump in and analyze this project. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another review here. Today we will be looking at and breaking down SingularityNET. Now this is a little bit of an interesting one. They are in the process actually of merging into ASI token, which is artificial super intelligence. And so we're going to basically look at what SingularityNET is going to be bringing to that alliance. There's the blogs here that detail the articles, but what we want to do is, so basically they're merging with 2 other projects, Fetch AI and Ocean Protocol, and they are going to merge into ASI. So what we want to understand here is really just to get an idea of what AGIX, SingularityNET, is bringing to the table in that merger, and really what what this whole sort of merger is going to be after it takes place, and see really what SingularityNET is going to play into that wider project, right, with the ASI project. So we're going to follow the same system, and again, if you're watching it, I'm assuming you're the type of person that really wants to understand any potential investments that you're getting into, and so that is what I can promise you will have by the end of this video. We will be breaking down the idea behind it, the product that SingularityNET has, the execution of the team, the adoption, the community, and those are the 6 aspects we will be looking at. So let's jump in. We'll get an overview. We actually already have it, the overview of the project. So we can see SingularityNET is a decentralized platform designed to facilitate the creation, sharing, and monetization of artificial intelligence services. It operates within the blockchain and AI sectors of the crypto ecosystem, acting as a marketplace where AI developers and users can collaborate seamlessly. The project targets AI researchers, developers, and users where can collaborate seamlessly. The project targets researchers, developers, and businesses looking for advanced AI solutions that are accessible and scalable. SingularityNET aims to solve the problem of AI services being siloed and inaccessible by providing a decentralized network that promotes interoperability and collaboration. So obviously, there are the big players in the AI space, exactly what we're using right now, ChatGPT, Claude, and and Anthropic, some of these other ones. And so this is an interesting novel approach to basically, bringing it to the open, decentralizing it, as with everything else, finance and everything else that blockchain promises to decentralize. This is looking to do it for AI. So just a quick overview. What we're going to look at is actually the merger into ASI and what it means for SingularityNET holders. So you can see that there will be a token conversion. They'll have their tokens converted to ASI tokens, that your current AGIX tokens will be exchanged for ASI at a specific conversion rate, seamless transition, enhanced benefits. And so, yes, this is basically just an overview of how that merger will take place. But for now, let's look at specifically what SingularityNET is aiming to do. We'll rank it on its idea, its product, execution, adoption, but we'll start with the first two. I'll pause, we'll come back and analyze the results. Okay, so we can see here 9.1 overall for the idea behind SingularityNET. So it's obviously a significant problem, and it makes sense, right? It's the underexplored problem of AI and blockchain sectors, underexplored problem in the AI and blockchain sectors by providing a decentralized marketplace for AI services. This innovative approach promotes interoperability, democratizes access to advanced AI solutions, positioning itself as a market disruptor. So that's interesting. And then the uniqueness by which they go at solving this problem, as you can see, it's in the decentralized AI marketplace, which offers a distinct, innovative solution not present in the current market. So 9.1 overall. Again, there will be the evidence and logic that you can come in to see how this score was given. But moving on here, looking at the product, we can see got 8.8. So for a functional and user-friendly product, so again, very high score there, which is promising. Offers a functional user-friendly product that meets several market demands with technical feasibility and scalability, supported by substantial evidence. If we come in, we can see the substantial evidence, looking here at potential competitors, so on and so forth. So decent two scores there, 8.8 and 9.1 respectively. And then we can move forward here. We'll have a look now at execution and adoption. So essentially for the execution metrics, what we're going to be looking at is just essentially how close to their roadmap do they stay? Are they hitting milestones on time? Are they maintaining constant communication about various updates and things of that nature? And then as far as the adoption goes, we're going to be looking at the actual token holder metrics. We're going to be looking at total holders, token holder growth, total transactions, and there's one more. You can see these are the four right here. So go back. So these are the four metrics we'll be looking at on chain. Right, so I'll pause, we'll come back and analyze the results. Okay, so we can see we came back with an 8.2 overall for adoption. So not a bad score there. You can see 53,000 token holders. Shows good adoption metrics, solid user engagement, and market presence. The project demonstrates growth across key adoption metrics, although there are areas that could improve to achieve high score. As far as execution goes, we've got a 9.1. Demonstrating excellent execution in its vision through agile and efficient marketing development and marketing efforts. So very good score there. Again, evidence and logic will be here in this document. But moving forward, we'll take a look here at the community and the team, the final two metrics to score. Basically for the community, what we're looking at is we want to understand basically the engagement, number one, but then also the sentiment of that engagement. So are people positive? Are they excited? Is the dialogue of a positive nature? That's obviously a very foundational tenet of a crypto project success. And then finally the team, who are they, what do they bring to the table, their experience, so on and so forth. So pause the video once again, and then we will come back and look at the community and the team. Okay, so for the community, we came back with 8.6. We can see that it does indeed have a strong presence, as evidenced by significant engagement on both Twitter and Telegram. Evidence and logic, we can see here the approximate Twitter followers, and as far as the sentiment goes, overall, sentiment on Twitter is predominantly positive. User interactions, likes, retweets, comments reflect strong support and enthusiasm for the project. Frequently shares updates and developments. So that's pretty key. Obviously, that's what you want to see. 8.6 and then 9.2 for the team. That is obviously a good score. They're bringing a ton of experience. Ben here, the CEO, chief scientist, is renowned figure in AI and robotics with a long history of significant contributions to the field. Right, so superstar team there. So that's pretty much all of the fundamental metrics, and then the final thing that we want to do is calculate the overall score. And while we're doing that, we will have a look at the price here. And I think, yeah, obviously there is a lot more data than what is right here. Let me see if I can find a better chart. Okay, so you can see we came back here with our little algorithm, 8.75, so pretty solid score overall for the total. This was a better chart that we could find. Still doesn't have all the data, which is kind of annoying. It goes all the way back to 2018, and these are my favorite like coins to invest in, the ones that basically like go to zero nearly, 1 cent, and for all money this thing was dead, and then just comes back and just absolutely rips like crazy. Like these are the life-changing coins, honestly, that if you find and you get into them, it's like 100x potential type stuff. So anyway, it's obviously up right now, up around 90 cents, and it's going to merge into ASI token on the 13th, so a few days from now. So really there's not a heck of a lot that can be said technical wise, but yeah, I mean, if you got into this token, congratulations. If you're buying down here, obviously a very, very solid investment. But yeah, that is pretty much a review for AGIX. If you got some value, hit the like button, that's appreciated. And if you like the idea of using AI to invest and find opportunities in the market, join the community. The link will be in the description, and I'll see everybody in the next video.